guys, today we're going to be doing math, as you can see. And here it says math is fun and easy, but it's only that when you understand it. So I'm going to show you a 5th grade problem in math in module 4, an exit ticket. That's looks hard, but it's actually pretty easy. So hope you like. I already wrote it on the board, as you can see right here. So I'm going to read it to you. Okay. 3/4 of the boats in the marina are white. 4/7 of the remaining are blue, and the rest are red. 9 boats are red. How many boats are in the marina? So the easiest way to do this is just drawing pictures. Now I'm going to show you here. This was my first go. This was my first try because I didn't know how in the world to do this. So I just gave it a guess and look. And it really gave me a bad answer, as you can see that. And then I don't understand it. Look, you see the lines there. But I'm going to show you the correct way to do it. It actually is pretty easy if you actually think about it. So what I'm going to do here. When I see like words that's supposed to be numbers, I just write over it the thing. So it's 3/4, so it's 3/4. And the same thing. All the boats in the marina are white. 4/7. The remaining are blue, and the rest are red. Okay. 9 boats are red, and then how many boats are in the marina? So I'm going to draw pictures because pictures make it so much easier if you understand it. It really does make it easier. I'm going to draw 3/4 first. So you can see what I'm circling. I'm going to draw 3/4. So, sorry. I'm drawing 3/4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There's 3/4. I'm not even going to shade. I'm just going to make the line go a little quickly. 3/4. To label it, it's white. Okay. Now, 4/7 of the remaining boats are blue. That's what I know, so I'm going to do it right next to it. 4/7, so 7. You can count it if you want. It is 7. And 4/7. So 4/7 of the remaining boats are blue. Okay, and the rest are red. Okay, there are 9 boats that are red. Now this, I'm gonna show you why. There's 9 boats that are red. Those 9 boats. So let's say there's 9 boats remaining. I think that's easier. So let's write 9 boats remaining. That's make it easier. But if they give you a problem like this, like there's 9 boats are red, that means that's another way to say 9 boats are remaining. So the remaining number goes into this part here. The second diagram, the last part, depending on how complex that question is. But 9 goes in 3, right? So that's why, since this is the remaining part of the 3, because these two are together. And I'm going to show you this. 9 boats are red. So you have to do 9 divided by 3, and I'll show you why. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, 9 equals 0. You have to end with 0. You do 9 divided by 3 because there's 3 boxes, and the 9 has to go into these 3 boxes equally. And they have to go in there equally. So these here are 3. So all of these are 3. These are 9. Now, here you have to go all the way down 3s. So these are all 3s as well. And then you have to add them up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 times 3 equals 21. Sorry? Yes, you can see. So 7 times 3 is equal to 21 because I added all of these. Now, if you want to be more precise, I'll show you this. So, 3/7 are red. I'm sorry, the noise in the back, you might not hear it. Maybe you might. It's from babies. Okay, but now I got 21. And now what you do here is you get this answer to go into these boxes right here. Okay? So here's 21, here's 21, and all the way down. And then you have to add this. So 21 times 4 is equal to 84. I think it's probably before that's what I'm going to put. Because you do 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. So 8 and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4 and 84. So then, 9 bolts are red, we got that. How many bolts are in the marina? There's 84 bolts in the marina. I'm going to show you a good way to write it. A nice way to get a 4. This is a 4 already. But now I get to do the answer. I'm going to do it right here because it's small. And I'm going to change the color. Move it back. No, I'm going to change the color so you guys can see it better. So, I'm going to show you a good way to write it. You can write anyway. So, you can write answer. So this is my answer. That is my answer. You can't see it. I don't think you could see it unless you zoom in. But I'm going to try to write it here as big as I could. So, there are 84 boats in the marina. That's a perfect way, an easy way, a quick way to write this answer. Okay, so this is how you could do it. One way. I'm going to show you the book. It's from Engage New York, the problem set. The last page, as you can see, is the exit ticket. I'm sorry about everything. But that part is great. You don't really need to see this. But it is Engage New York, okay? So I'm going to give you a look at that. And let me just pause it to, I'm going to bring another problem on the board right now, okay? So, okay, and we're back. So, now I got a new problem. It's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5, A, B, C, D, and E, so that. But I'm only going to do an A and B because C, D, and E are very easy. I got all of those, right? Except for C, because I need to get the first two right. Get C right. So I didn't get that one right. I'm going to show you, and I love to read this. So, Riverside Elementary School is having a school-wide vote to choose a school color. I'm sorry, not school color. Vote to choose a school color. 5/8 were for blue, 5/9 of the remaining were for green, and the remaining 48 votes were for red. How many votes were for blue is A. So, I'm going to show you how to do that. And once you do A, I guess you don't really have to solve B because you can probably solve it on A. But I'm just going to show you how to do it. So as I said before, you look for the word. So 5/8. I'm going to use a different color. 5/8 were for blue. I might have trouble because I didn't solve it this time. So that I picked up. Were for blue, 5/9 of the remaining were for green, and the remaining 48 votes were for red. So now let's draw the picture. So first I'm going to draw 5/8 that were for blue. So I'm going to do 5/8. I should draw this much bigger. 5/8 is coming up right now. So I'm going to draw 8 little boxes. Okay, and then 5/8. So 5/8 are for blue. So they give you that one, which is pretty easy. So all of this is for blue. Now, I'm going to do another one. 5/9 of the remaining votes were for green. So now 5/9 of the remaining votes were for green. show this one. So 5/9 of the remaining votes for blue. If you check the module out, I changed it a little bit. It's the same thing though. So 5/9 of the remaining votes for green. So 5/9. 2, 3, 8. So 5/9. Yes, I think it is right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5/9 of the remaining votes were for green. Let me see right here. And then these here are for red, right? And the other one, that's why I picked this one, because the other one I am going to do it, but that's why I'm going to do it last. So I did this, now I'm going to do 48. So remember how I said 48 votes were for red, or you could switch it around. 48 of the remaining votes were for red. But you can do that. So now there's 4 boxes, if you don't see, but there are 4 boxes. Yes, you can see it. There are 4 boxes. So now I have to do 48 divided by 4. Remember why? Because this number has to go evenly into these boxes for the unit that I am on, because once you get more complex, maybe something else. I'm going to show you quickly. 48, I already know the answer. 48 divided by 4, 1, 4. It goes to 12. Yes, 12, 8, whatever. 0. So now I'm going to put 12 in these little boxes, right? And then, or wait, right? So remember, I did 48 has to go into these remaining boxes evenly, okay? So it's 12. It could be a fraction. I never had a fraction yet though. So 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. So it's, I'm going to do 12 times 9 just quickly. And it equals to 108. Okay. Now I got 108. Yes, you can see that is right there. 108. And you can see I put the 12s there. So now you should remember 108 has to go in these boxes now, right? So I go 1 away and so on, right? Okay. An easy way, you don't have to add it. I'm going to do 108 times 8. Sorry. So 8 times 8, it goes to 36, 64. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. 64, 8, 6, and then 8. And then this here equals to 864. Wait, let me double check this one because, yeah, 64. 864. So that's your answer. And I'm going to show you the way I would write it. I'm going to write it right here. I'm going to erase something. I'm going to erase this right here. I'll actually erase this. So I can write how many votes were for blue. Let me think. Okay. 864. Oh, never mind. This is not the answer. Oops, sorry. 864 is not the answer because 58 was for blue. Now remember, this is another color, right? Okay, whatever, it's a clear mistake. It's okay, I'm sorry. So now you have to do 108 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because 8 were for blue. I didn't read that. So I'm going to do times 5 equals to 40. So this was the map for blue. So 540 of the votes were for blue. That's a good answer. Now I'm gonna write here because I'm actually gonna leave the chart because this chart right now is gonna help us. Because B, it says how many votes were for green. We could simply do that right now.